Hello everyone, so I'm discussing the one of the question of UPSC prelims of 2024. So there was a question of art and culture, that is there are no parables in Upanishads, and the second statement is Upanishads were composed earlier than the Puranas, and we have to tell in both of them which statement is correct one. So this topic comes from ancient and culture, and basically this is from Later Vedic Phase. If you will read the ancient NCRT, then you will get this question correct because it is very well mentioned in the ancient NCRT. So let's discuss all the explanation for this. Okay, so it is written there's no parables in Upanishad. First, you need to know what is a parable. Parable means the short stories, or we can say allegories. Okay, it is saying there are no parables in Upanishad, but it is a very wrong statement because Upanishad is basically pure philosophical book. Okay, written in Sanskrit. So it is a pure philosophical, talking about the karmas, talking about the atmas. So in Upanishad, there were numerous parables, numerous allegories to explain those philosophical concepts. So this statement is wrong, as there are parables in Upanishad. And the second part is Upanishads were composed earlier than Puranas. So it is right. In the later Vedic phase, Puranas were the last, or we can say third last, because after that the epics were compiled like the Ramayana and the Mahabharata. So Upanishads were composed earlier than Purana, so it is the right statement, and the one is the wrong statement. So we reach to the answer, that is the B2 only. So we got this question correct. Let's deep dive into the explanation. Okay, so this is my notes. I know this is very hodgepodge, but it's okay. It is we need to do this. So these are the texts which are compiled in the later Vedic period. That is, first is Rig Veda, the continued. Rig Veda firstly compiled in the early Vedic period, but like the two chapter of the Rig Veda contained total 10 chapters, but the last 2 chapter compiled in the later Vedic phase. Then Samved, Yajur, Atharv, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and then Upanishad, and then Puranas. So this is the right. And Upanishad contain parables, stories, and illustrative stories to explain complex philosophical concepts. So I hope you get it. And if you want the whole explanation of this topic, the topic of Vedic age, so please comment down. I'll explain the whole topic very gently. And will you this, because this is the high yielding area of the UPSC. So if you are seriously preparing for that exam, please like, subscribe, and tell me to make a further video. Thank you.